Welcome back, everyone. Check out this brand new Outer Banks Bronco in this insanely pretty green. So we're actually going to be installing matte paint protection film on this car. And so what that does, it takes the actual natural paint color of the factory paint and it turns it into that matte finish that's really popular these days. So this green is going to turn into a super pretty matte finish green. It's going to look really nice. So in just a second, I'm going to show you what that looks like being installed and how it looks after it has been put on the car. And now that we've got a few panels on here, you can see the incredible difference. Look at that. So that gloss is now that super pretty satin matte finish, while also protecting the paint beneath it. And the finished product is looking amazing. Guys, if you want to see more transformations like this, make sure you're subscribed and you like the video. Let us know in the comments what car you want to see next in S-Tech paint protection film. And I will see you in the next video.